100 grams.
I know it's been way too long, yeah. I've been on the low, just counting up. Focused on the paper, not no feelings, show no love. Brand new vibes, get me alive. Woo! Counted the money, okay, okay. Might buy a crib with a view in LA. Niggas keep plotting, they want me to break down. Nah, I'm tryna hang with your boo in a few. Bought me a flight from the A to the moon. Niggas just worried, don't know what to do now. Woo! Counted the money, okay, okay. Might buy a crib with a view in LA. Niggas keep plotting, they want me to break down. Nah, I'm tryna hang with your boo in a few. Bought me a flight from the A to the moon. Niggas just worried, don't know what to do now. Loved you, remember me, we were cool. No, I can't deal with that. Trust me, it was me, not you. Yeah, I know, that's why I'm gone, babe, never to return. Gotta know your feelings and you gotta know your worth. Now that I know that I'm out of this world, out of this earth. Niggas can talk but ain't talking to me. I worked so hard that I took me a nap on this beat and I woke up like, look, I'm a star. I put no sweat in this is my element. Straight to the plane, to the car, to the stool, to the house, to the boat. Ooh, damn. Niggas don't know the truth. I leave them stuck in the mud while I'm grown, cause niggas just want me to stand up and give them a hand, dog. Dog, for real, could it? Yeah. Woo! Counted the money, okay, okay. Might buy a crib with a view in LA. Niggas keep plotting, they want me to break down. Nah, I'm tryna hang with your boo in a few. Bought me a flight from the A to the moon. Niggas just worried, don't know what to do now. Woo! Counted the money, okay, okay. Might buy a crib with a view in LA. Niggas keep plotting, they want me to break down. Nah, I'm tryna hang with your boo in a few. Bought me a flight from the A to the moon. Niggas just worried, don't know what to do now. Tell them the check finally adding up. Paper coming like bills right on schedule. Whoa, this the moment I finally done had an epiphany. Working for me, I don't do it for you. Constantly working to tell you the truth. I don't got time if you ain't about your money, cause business is crucial, so don't you confuse me for you. Nigga, this a classic, what I really got to prove. 2 years being broke, so I'm coming for the loot. If you need me, better call before I go and hit the switch. Wait, I did. Nigga, new phone, who this? Wait a second, you don't gotta tell me. Shh. I know I'ma really make a killing off of this. Kicks, clean, shawties, bad. Oh, I been getting used.